Who is it?
You alright? It's Ben.
What?
It's Ben.
Look, man. I got one of them new fucking doorbells. And all I'm seeing is your fucking crotch at me, like.
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. It's Ben. It's your grandson.
Oh, you're a fat fucker.
You alright?
What do you want?
I'm just here to drop off your medication, Grandad. Can you let us in?
Yes. You need some fucking medication? You haven't fucking lost me.
No, it's medication, Grandad. It's pills. It's for your knee. You know your bad knee?
I've got a bad knee. Well, you some sort of fucking witch doctor, then.
No, I already know about your bad knee, Grandad. That's why.
I've got a bad knee for years.
I know. That's why I'm here to drop off.
Yeah. I fell down the back alley when I was a young lad. I had a bad knee. It's acting up.
No, yeah, I know about the alley story, Grandad. You've told it quite a few times. I'm just here to give you your medication. All right? Is that all right?
I've told that story a few times. You're not like no. Anyone could have told you that. Everyone around here knows that about me if you need.
All right, Grandad. Is there anywhere where I can put it down?
What? Can you not just fuck off, mate?
All right, it was nice chatting to you, Grandad. I've just popped the bag underneath the step. Is that all right? Can I do anything else for you?
I don't know what you're selling, mate. I didn't want to know of it.
All right, it's nice chatting to you, Grandad.